Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app Code Files by Google Developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then choose Continue in the pop-up, tap on Allow, and click on the gray sweater next to Files by Google. Finally, you can click on Save at the bottom left corner and hit Clean under Junk Files. Lastly, confirm your choice by tapping on Clear in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!